Papakura, they're good friendly people around here.
620.
620, thank you sir. Good luck in your endeavours. We're underway at 2 at this stage. At 620,000, the gentleman's centre stage. It's opportunity that is certainly knocking at 620,000 at a bid.
640.
640, clear instructions. Good luck to you too, ma'am. At 640, puts 3 out at this stage at 640. Someone going to give me 660. Yes, at 660 now. Puts up the double 6 on the advance on the call. That's 660,000 at a bid now. I bid it away for another 20,000. Ma'am, would you like to have another flurry? Yes, you would. Beautiful stuff. See, you're asking, you receive round here. This one, I love Papakura at 680,000 at a bid. So would you square at 700?
690.
690. Okay, no problem. I got 712. Tahi Rua Toru at $712,000. What about you guys? You haven't come to see me tonight. I'm absolutely confident of that. I know what you'd like to talk to Leanne. We're going to have a conversation. That's below my selling instructions, but hold tight. Talk amongst yourselves. I'll be back to you very soon. Thank you. Righto team, thank you for the brief interlude. Gentleman here has graciously increased his bid to 715,000 New Zealand dollars, so that's 715. On that proviso, we're on the market and we sell, make no mistake. I'm going to sell it outright to someone, but it's 715,000. 715,000 out of it now. 716. Okay, good luck, sir. We'll welcome you back after a little prelude, a little break from you at 700. This one over, but it's 716,000.
717.
717. That's 717. Hard to sit on 17.
It's 500.
And a half. That's probably not going to scare him away, but okay, 717 and a half. I would get straight to 720. Put one straight over the bow, wouldn't you, Leanne? But it's 717,000. Go brick by brick at 718. So you get me to 20. I hope you're wearing rubber shoes. You'll be kicking yourself later on. Come on, have another go. It's 718,000 out of it now. Testament to all those that are here. But first call, I'm going to and a half at 18 and a half.
790.
719 at 719. Out of it now at 719,000. You're going to say a half? Yeah. Okay, funny that. At 719, but I appreciate the advance at 719 and a half. So what happened 30 minutes later after 73 bids? The camera ran out of battery. The auction went that long, but congratulations to Leanne. Property sold for $751,500. If you want the same result, then give her a call today.